I'm Mihai Nita, and I'm representing today Forest Design, a proud user of a proud alpha user of the NextLand services. And we are a private company who is actually focusing on evaluating forests, from forest inventory to forest management and carbon assessment, and on everything related to forest assessment in general. Um, Today, I'm going to present you how we use some of the services provided by NextLand, especially the change detection, forest classification, and forest density and statistics. We in our workflow, we provide different types of services. So we integrated the products of NextLand in different ways, especially in planning our work, our field work. So these will be the examples, and in some cases, we have integrated the data in our daily base monitoring. So these are the examples here in forest change monitoring, in precision forestry, carbon assessment, in forest evaluation, and in forest management and decision making, actually. So regarding the forest change monitoring, like my previous speaker was telling you about how you can download, so you can easily access the data from the portal. And after that, we integrate it in our system. So we do have different customers that are focusing on monitoring their forests, especially when they have wind throws, or when they want to see how is the management influencing the sustainability of the forestry. So getting the data from the portal, we easily integrate it into our system, where we do have a specific algorithm that is focusing on this one. So the change detection algorithm, it's a good product that can be, of course, improved and integrated in these kind of portals, and passed over to the customers. The other example in the precision forestry, especially in carbon assessment, so we use the forest density and statistics data to organize our field work. So how we are doing in the carbon assessment, we are actually scanning with our mobile scanner different plots in different areas. So these products are very good in stratifying the forest that we are assessing. So for the carbon assessment, the statistical sample plot, it's always good to reduce the cost of forest inventory. So in specific places where we identified homogeneous areas, we have done the scanning and all the digital twinning that we are doing at Forest Design. And based on different allometric equations, we are creating this precise carbon assessment data. So what you can see here, it's a forest that we using those products, we could identify where will be the area where to place our plots. One of the most interesting one is still this one on the forest management and decision making for our customers. So we used the NextLand product, forest classification, and the descriptive statistics to place our plots. Again, it is similar to our carbon assessment. We do have an workflow here that based on the field data from the forest inventory. So what you can see in here in the upper right corner of the presentation, these are the plots that we calculated. So the number of the plots and the way how we place the inventory. It's a stratified inventory, and the products from NextLand, they are really helpful in the first part of the field work. And after that, using this stratification, we went in the forest, we get the forest inventory data, and we do have a machine learning algorithm that is providing based on this field data different products. So like volume, like the canopy height model, and the species, and these data Of course, the accuracy of the data, they reside in the way how we sample the statistical inventory. And in the end, okay, and before that, here is an example based on different data that we have from the field and from the satellite images. We can produce these forest management and decision making maps. For instance, we can estimate based on the forest density, the forest species, and the other statistics from the satellites. What are the homogeneous areas, and where should we plan the thinnings, for instance, or the cleaning? So all those forest operations that are really important for the forest manager. So that's another way how these kind of satellite images and products like the NextLand portal can be integrated either for companies like us or to the end user like the forest managers. In the end, yeah, forest evaluation. My previous speakers, they were talking about this again, using different types of products from the NextLand services. We can combine them in monitoring and assessing the forest for different buyers or even for the owners if they want to build their own portfolio. And this is a clean and easy way how to do it. I emphasize some of the benefits. Of course, the benefits of remote sensing, now they appear everywhere, but I want to emphasize that even the portal, it is based on customizable algorithms, so that this is really important. The results are independent of the human factor, as the others were saying. They are based on deep learning, machine learning. So this is great. It is an increased availability, so it can work in 100% of the time, and it is prone to automation, like the measurements is performed automatically, again without human influence. So there will be something really really useful. So thank you.